Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back on Animal Hospital. A second time playing that. Wow. Yes, indeed. Wow. Wow. Cost 20 thingies. My goal is to get 20 thingies, I guess. Oh, I'm joining. So, listen. Yo, where can I join? You got y'all's. Can I just go alone? Oh, yeah, so I to go alone. Leave already if I wanted to. Just staying. Did they see me as a noob? I'm not a noob. I have 13 thingy dollars, I guess. Animal hospital dollars. No. Don't leave. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening, okay? I already know that. That's why it's called Animal Hospital Anomaly. It's Phillips, hurry up. Also guys, I hope the face cam's working this time. And of course it's not working. Okay, anyways. Let's start shift 1. I already know what's gonna happen. I want to get the notification wire. They already look normal anyways. Damn. Take a second. Go inspect first. Yeah, I don't need to inspect. I already know what's gonna happen in night shift 1. Sorry. I will be in room 1. Okay. Room 1. Come on. No, I'm checking. I'm doing that. How do I do it? Let's come. Okay. Oh, okay. Treatments. Okay, I'm gonna head to the yeah. Yeah, you're healed, come out! Wait. Room 2. How's lit? Okay. That analyze the framing. I dropped. This guy's so annoying. The doctor is here. Does it have a pet dragon? His name is Bolt. I don't care. Okay. The most hardworking is that guy. Just report. Okay, patient treated. What decision message? Excellent. And wow, so surprising. He is so annoying. Yeah, definitely anomaly. No service. Yeah, go away. Hey. I'm here for my appointment. Nice. Yes. Yes, it's good. I called him before. Okay. Okay, that guy's not here. Anyways. Ouch! Okay. Just hurry up! Okay. Herbs. Mention herbs. Apply. Sorry. Oh, maple syrup. Maple water. That's values. Okay, whatever. As we drove home. Maple syrup. Yeah, I guessed that. I still a patient. Ha. I have to get all the medicines. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me go through. Get away! The heck is that guy doing? No! Bro, so annoying! You know what? Let's keep going. Oh, who is that? Can I need to check? I need to get my sanity level up. Sanity level up. Open the flipping door. It's so annoying. All clowns have an appointment. Open the freaking door. Okay. I just. No! Why did you do that? So annoying. I'm leaving. No. Why are you just rejecting everyone? Stop! I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Wait, maybe he knows what he's doing. Huh? Name's Ron. I'm from accounting. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Nope. Never mind. Why? I'm leaving. No, sir, please, please, sir, stay, please, please. Kid, pretend nothing happened. You hear me? Pretend nothing happened. Yeah. Get punched. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that video, like and subscribe for more. Subscribe.